everyone. Today I will be making a hovercraft using these materials. The materials required are, we can take a knife, balloons, a Fevicol, or we can take a Fevikwik also, a candle, or any old CD we can take, and the bottle cap of any cold drink or any drink, and then we require any mastic. So first of all, let's lit up the candle. So we have lit up the candle. Now we will be doing a hole in this bottle cap, hitting this knife. So I will be hitting this knife, and it is heated. And now I will do a hole. Make sure that the hole is in the center. And let's see from the back. Yes, the hole is done. Now we will stick this bottle cap on the CD. We will put Fevicol on the corners of this bottle cap. Let's put some Fevicol only on the corners, like this. We can put, and then we can paste it. Oh, let us paste there here also, and then we have to push it hard, and we can keep this for some time. After sticking this cap to the CD, I have used, instead of Fevicol, I have used now Fevikwik, as it was not sticking with Fevicol. So now we will inflate air in the balloon and stick it here. We will also require one pin to stuck it here so that air does not pass. So after successfully we have put the balloon on this bottle cap, and now we will testing this balloon hovercraft on all the surfaces. First we will do on the wood surface, and then on the glass, and then on the water. So first let's try on the wood. So I've cut this, and see, it is so smooth. It reduces friction, the hovercraft. So as you have seen here, now we will try this on the glass surface. We will try this on the glass surface. So I'm just reading it, and see how smoothly it is moving. It reduces the friction. See. So now we will finally try on the water surface. So now I have filled the wash basin with water, and now we will keep this, keep the hovercraft on the water, and see what happens. We will keep it just softly. See, the friction is very much reduced. As there was air pressure was coming from here, going out from here, so the balloon sunken in the water. First it was going smoothly, and then after, when the air pressure was more, the CD was in. So thank you. This is my hovercraft. Thank you. So from the above experiment, the conclusion is, when we try to move the hovercraft on the wooden surface has the most irregularities of all the three surfaces, but the hovercraft was moving smoothly on that surface rather than there were irregularities, because hovercraft reduces the friction. And then the second surface was glass surface has some minor irregularities, and when we try to move the hovercraft on the glass surface also, it was moving smoothly. And on the water surface had the least irregularities of all the three surfaces, but then also hovercraft was moving smoothly. But then there was more air pressure exerted by the hovercraft, the air pressure was down, and the hovercraft was sunken. Thank you.